you tired of hitting limits when generating high-quality images on Leonardo AI? What if you could create an unlimited number of stunning images without any restrictions? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited images on Leonardo AI for free, so you can unleash your creativity without worrying about credits. Let's dive into it. Welcome back to Grow with ESA. Among the best AI image generation tools available today, like Ideogram, Crayon, and Bing AI, Leonardo AI stands out for its high-quality images, including 4K resolution. However, there's a catch. Leonardo AI offers 150 credits initially, which reset daily. But what if you want to generate unlimited images? Well, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Grow with ESA and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more exciting AI tips and tricks. Step 1. Open your browser. Open Chrome or any browser you prefer and search for TempMail. This service will provide you with a temporary email address to create multiple accounts on Leonardo AI. Step 2. Generate a temporary email address. Wait for a few moments and you'll see a temporary email address automatically generated for you. Once it's ready, click the copy button to copy the email ID to your clipboard. Step 3. Sign up on Leonardo AI. Now, go to the Leonardo AI website and click on Get Started. Select Sign Up and paste the temporary email address you just copied into the email field. Set a secure password and click on Sign Up. Step 4. Verification process. After you sign up, Leonardo AI will inbox you to verify your account by entering a verification code. Go back to the TempMail website, and within a few moments, you'll receive a verification email from Leonardo AI. Open the email, copy the verification code, and paste it back into Leonardo AI to complete the registration process. Step 5. Answer preferences. After verifying your email, Leonardo AI will ask you to answer a few questions about your preferences. You can fill these out according to your liking and proceed to the next step. Step 6. Enjoy your credits. Now that your account is set up, you'll notice that you have received 150 credits, which you can immediately use to generate images. Step 7. Generate more images. Once you've used up your 150 credits, simply return to the TempMail website, click the Delete button to remove your old temporary email and generate a new one. Then, repeat the sign-up process to create a new account on Leonardo AI and get another 150 credits for free. You can keep doing this to get as many credits as you need. And that's how you can generate unlimited images on Leonardo AI, absolutely free. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Grow with ESA for more amazing AI-related content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces, then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.